Kids Cooking with Chef Hannah.
Hi, and welcome back to Kids Cooking with Chef Hannah, Spring Break Edition. Spring Break! Today we're going to be making microwave potato chips. To start off, we need a potato, obviously, and then you need a mandolin cutter, or you can use a knife, but make sure you have your parent's supervision. And this is the thickness it should be, the thinness it should be, and this is what it looks like when it's done. That's how crunchy it is. Let's get started. So you need to cut the potato and make sure you don't get your fingers hurt. So when you're done cutting all of them up, you put some spray on. You can put some Pam spray or you can do some oil. And I already put some Pam spray on mine. And then after you put that on, you put them on the potato slices on your plate. And then when you're done with that, you can put some salt on it. That's how normal potato chips are. Or you can be creative and use some popcorn flavors that you like. You can use nacho cheddar seasoning, or you can use white cheddar seasoning, or you can use garlic parmesan seasoning, which I'm just going to be using nacho cheddar. So once you're done with that, you just put it in the microwave for 3 to 2 minutes. It depends on your microwave. We'll be back in a sec. It's just about done. So when it's done and it beeps, I'm going to take it out. It might take a while. 13 seconds left. Almost there. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to take them out. And you might want to use these. And I have this little mini tongs, and I'm just going to flip them over. And then you're going to put it in the microwave again for the same amount of time. Yep. And 3 seconds left, and now it's done. You're going to use your pot holders, and you're going to take it out so you don't burn yourself. And you're going to take them off using your tongs. And the longer you let it sit here is the longer it gets crispier. The more it cools, it gets crispier. And you can do more batches because you only can do about 10 of them on a plate. And you can use different flavors that you've never tried. Now for the taste test. Sounds crunchy. Now let's try it. Really good. Bye. See you next week.